All right, we are now into the second section. Second section is where we're going to draw this diagram, and we will be using what we call Ludi chart. All right, one of the application. Before that, I used to use this another one which draw .io. All right, this ion IO. Just draw that to there. Both is the same. This one you don't have to create account and sign in. You can straight away create. If you can see this, you can straight away create container and do whatever you want. All right. And it's a page you can delete. This is one of the flowcharts that I've been using all the while, right? It's quite interesting. You got all the basic needs. You can do most of the thing inside, but leave this one. I found out something more interesting, but why not we try that out, right? This is the Ludi chart. First time trying it. So we can see what we can leverage from this SaaS, right? SaaS, right? SaaS. Let us open this up. Okay, so you'll be greeted with this page over here. Go ahead, sign up for free. You can see how they can just generate the process flow by just clicking, um, by just going like this. But the thing is that the generated one looks really ugly. It's not that up to the, it's not that really good yet, but I feel like it. They are moving a step ahead. By the way, I already logged in, so let me just log out. All right. What did I use to log in? Just pause this. Should be here. All right. I remember I just signed in using Google. So if your Google is logged in, you can just link your Google account with the system over here. Don't have to do anything. All right. Don't have to buy anything. We can just use the free version. We just this trash. Okay, so how do you start this? I think first time when you log in, you will have different interface, right? Trying to put you into some place, telling you, are you using this for what? And then something like, I would say they will do some, I'll say marketing for themselves. But never mind, click on new. We see over here, we can do two things. One is digital whiteboard, or one is diagramming and flowcharts. So click on this one and start diagramming. Okay. Close this one. Just wait for a while. Okay, boot up and settle. If you look at this one, it looks more beautiful. There's template. You can just straight away click into the template. Business process flow example, popular one. So examples, should we use this one? I think I can just start with blank version. That is a lot of examples over here. You can have a look, explore, play around with them. It's fun to have a look and explore. But anyway, we'll be using this one to create the swim lane. We need just follow the rules over here. You can go in and read in through this one. first material procurement, they will just buy the material through WhatsApp. What are the materials? Then when they prepare, they will just boil this cotton and set it down. Then they will start to fill in the bags with the cotton into the seed. Then they put inside the mushroom house. Basically, it's like a house built, and inside you got mushrooms to harvest. Then finally you harvest during the appropriate day, and then they pack and then they send to the processing truck. So we got three main actors over here. So let us drag this thing over to here. Zoom in. This thing look more nice or beautiful. Let us copy this and paste this over to here. Like so, right? It's very simple. Wait, I think plug first, right? Plug on top. Where should we put this plug? Should we put it like this, or we should drag that out? But it's fine, right? We can think about it all along the way, right? Along the way. And this is the drag like this. Close that. Okay, now we have our, and put in our title over here. Farming village. Color. All right. Let us check the color. Then maybe I want to click this text color, right? How simple. Even was, can we do this magnetize? Means when you pull this, it will follow you. You unclick this, item inside will lock. I'm just playing around with this line color. There you go. Oh, that would be bad. Cannot see anything at all. There's another way. Let us just make this bigger into 30, right? Farming village. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, now let us start. All right, let us start by looking at the shape. Let me see. There is a way for us to pull the shape over to here. More shapes. Then let us look at BPMN, right? Let us click on this one. See that? Check on this one so that we have the shape appear out over here. Okay. There you go. We have these shapes. Now let us start, right? Let's close this. Let's start. Lane is the farm manager. Start with event, green circle. So event, start event. You can see over here, or alternate to preview this. You open the preview. Okay. If you hold the alternate, the preview will be open. Interesting, right? Inside here, we can see, later we'll explore, right? We'll explore how to play with this thing over here. Pool, we got pool over here. All right, can use this pool that you can name it over here. It's the same assisted layout. Drag and drop the assist layout. Just use precise placement. There's a lot of things going on over here. Can we do one thing over here? That no, not this. Don't think that one. Pool in black. This one, I try to use this and see. Let's try to use this and see. Can we add in one more pool? Right click. I'm just trying around to insert new page. It insert a lane above or below. There you go. You can go from here, right? Here you cannot do anything, but here below, there you go. You can insert a lane below. By right click, is there any place for you to do it? Just play around with this, right? And we do this. Then they should have a place for you to like auto size all of them. Lane. Oh, there you go. You can add the lane from here as well. Oh, they just do it and just add the lane over here. But interestingly, they are not in the same size. Good. Okay, never mind. We just drag them. So that it is. Let me just check around here setting, accessibility setting. Back, never mind. I find it quite annoying when you scroll in, then it zoom in. but never mind. I just change this to farming village and change this to farm manager. This to farm worker, right? Worker, and then what do we have? Finance clerk. Just don't like this. Scroll. Never mind. And just point over here and scroll. Just need to get used to it. Let us drag this and put it to the top here. Start event. Just control select. All right, let us drag this and drop it over here to here. All right, start event. Start. Right, your label start. You can just copy this if you want to. Too long. Let's just put start. Then this one, we have to go into the next one. Just bear with me. First video today. Just gonna go through it slowly. Task, round, triangle, fill in the farm manager. I'm gonna label identify required material. Right. Rectangle rounded. Or you can just go from here and click this. There you go. Required materials. Paste it over here. It's simple as that. Attach a document symbol to the right. There is a way for you to do that. Activity task type. You can start process. Activity task type. Script. Let me see. Script. You can use this. You can further indicate what kind of type is this. That's a document symbol. Let's type this is send. You can see we'll play around with that later on, but let us just complete the backbone first. Just edit. There's a way for us to attach a document over here. Right. Con setting. No, we'll do that marker later. when we do the activity, this is a type over here. Should be over here. Yeah, I can put here a script. But another way is for us to use the dotted line and then attach the document over here. For example, all right, we can just throw down, or how come it goes go down that side, right? Document. And this one, we want to change this into none. The line. So here, right? Dotted line. Let's go. To but okay, there you go. You attach a material list, all right, over to here. Or you can just paste it here. Can we just move this down? If not, then we just enlarge this to become bigger. Let's go here. There you go. I like it how it auto size, right? That's an immediate association. Then follows on with the next task. Step 3, contact the supplier via phone or WhatsApp. If I require material, this one. Then task again, contact supplier. This one has to change back to the normal line. There you go. Over here, we can put a message logo over here just to make it more interactive, which we'll do later. Over here, if you want, you can draw a line up to this. Go up here. We want to change this into call activity. No. Let us remove this one. We want to change this to the line. I'm gonna just put like this. Let us follow this first. We'll add in while we do a lot other things, right? Attach document symbol to the document symbol, supplier confirm message. Down to the clock. Let us zoom out, zoom in, over to here. Okay. Otherwise, it will be pinned in that one. What we do over here, payment process, all right? So we can update. So the finance clerk will do the payment, manual bank transfer or cash payment. Should I put this on payment processing, right? Mm. This is the baseline guide. Again, you can improvise it. Even put a payment receipt. Gateway. Payment receipt. Let me just pull this over to here. Put here. Not nice. On this to go down to here. Payment receipt. Make it bigger. This one, let us just turn it to this. And not. Okay. This one is the one that we need to put the exclusive. See the line over there? Look very nice, right? It's like all the design will be inside here. So exclusive. Exclusive for here, all right? Delivery check. Label material received. I think I got the over here. I paste. Let me just go here. Auto line routine. Turn that off. Right. Off the assist line layout. Okay, I think I make a mistake over to here. Should be over here. It should be the material planning. Should paste this one over there. So if you want to label, I don't know, it's up to you. It can be either way. Supply ordering. Okay. Payment processing. One, two. Okay. Then delivery check. This one, put it over to here. Where should we put in the over here, right? This delivery check here. Yes, go to the farm. If no, go back to contact supplier. So let us go up to here again. And no. Here, right? If yes, then we go down to this receive item, farm worker. So let us draw a line to here. Receive material over here. Let us put yes, right? There we go, something like this. Then receive and paste over here. There should be enable the auto this back. Okay, let's just remove that one. I think auto assist look better. Anyway, the process look, I think auto assist look better, right? So that you don't have to think much. So the next one, how come this can just resize for you easier, right? Then medium preparation in the farm. Just go in something like this. There we go. Can write something over there. Wash. Put it to here. This is a clock, intermediate clock event. This one. Put it here. Connect here. Put a clock sign to this timer. You can put this when you do the payment over here as well, right? You wait for the collect this finance department to pay. You can put this timer as well. It's up to you how you innovate the diagram from here onwards, make it more interactive or more clear. But over here, what I do is I just put in as it is. Go on to on top here then, right? Okay. I don't like it how it just go off so much. And never mind. The time, let me just set the time. I don't want it to be too long. Incubation stage. Here. What do we have over to here? We have here. Let's put it on top here. Document symbol. Batch lock. You can put a script there, put a document symbol. I think it's this one. Huh? Right. Script. But let us put that is that just to show that there is this one over here. Here. Not this. Paste this to here. Change this one to the dotted line. Change this to none. Then move to mushroom house. All right, the following task is the same thing. Paste this one, move to mushroom task, and put in the description over here. Then growth monitoring. These are all just tasks, and you can just make it more, I would say, aesthetic when you add in things later. I'll show you can like this kind of a timer here, or make it more, say, interactive. This one here. Here. Exclusive again. This is rather yes or no condition check. We can remove that. This condition acceptable or not, right? If yes, continue to harvest. If no, loop back to temperature check. Just go down to here. No. Here's a yes. Put on then I was should you put it inside here or outside? Change this to shorter or longer to the word. I leave that into your own aesthetic creation. But the thing is that in the end of the day, that's the document symbol over here, right? In the end of the day, it should be a diagram that is understandable and it should make sense and beautiful in a way that it makes sense, it's beautiful, it's what to say, it should look like it is right in a way, right? I want to put this here and put this as none, that's it. And put in red color circle on, that's quite interesting as well. And start event, and event is one. Over here is and there you go. You see that is a process flow and it should be quite simple and it is as it is, right? Finishing this, you can go back and make it more aesthetic following the design over here. Make it more like a group over here, or maybe you want to put like some checking over here, whatever, however it is, following this line over here. There's something that you can add on to it, especially the payment. So no formal record, this kind of things. You can put in a timer or something to show that in the future state you will improve. And the best thing is you can add layer. You can add layer to this. This is the as is layer. Later when we go to 2B layer, we can add in a layer on top of this and we can show what we have improvised based on this one, right? This is just a baseline diagram. I would expect you to have a more beautiful aesthetic kind of drawing. This farming village, there you go. And we save, export this as a PDF, PNG, right? Read this link. This done. Download. And if you open, there you go. You can present this. Of course, more aesthetic means you have more color, more beautiful. It's not this boring, but you can make it much more interactive, right? So we can go on and continue with this this process over here. Where is it? The process village, right?